This video is to discuss the assignments for Tuesday, December 14th in kindergarten. First, we have the mulberry bush, which should be on the back of your tracing the alphabet page. So sing the song, trace through the alphabet, or sing the song and trace through the shapes while you sing, and then flip it over. And we're not doing a write a story page today. We're not doing names. We're just practicing writing letters. And please, please, please make sure you start on the go dots. There is not a video to link for this one. So just trace each letter starting on the go dot. We start 99% of the letters at the very top and go down. Some of them start out and go up and around. There are a few. We still consider this starting at the top whenever it curves up just a tiny bit and then back down. I do consider that starting at the top. The one letter that does not start at the top is a lowercase d. You'll see the go dot is in the middle. It's like writing a letter A, but then you go all the way up and then all the way down to the ground. So trace your letters, do the best you can. It's not a race to see how fast you can get it done. We're trying to see how neatly you can get it done. Trace each letter. After you're done with your writing, then you can switch to our phonics. Letter of the week is letter R, like yesterday. You'll notice that the R's did not copy on the row, row, row your boat page. Sing through the song a couple of times. You can write the R's if you want to. Sing through the song, circle all of the uppercase and lowercase R's in the song, and there are a lot, and there are some that are right next to each other. Count how many and write it down. Don't forget that it's double-sided. You need to turn it over and draw a picture of what the song says on the back. So you need to use 5 or more colors to draw a picture of what the song says. You do that on the back of the paper. And remember, not just drawing, we're coloring. So I colored with blue, I colored with brown, red, orange, and I colored with black. After you're done with our phonics, talking about letter R, and you do the activity, then you can go to the sight word, read the poem. Oh, I didn't get the color and find me page, but you're going to color the me, me, me at the top and then hunt for it down in the body of it. Only color in the words that say me. Math, you're going to do your counting by ones, by tens, by fives to 100. You can use the links to watch the videos. And our math for today is going to be to use the correct number of shapes. So what shapes make this square? So if you're looking at these shapes over here, how can you make this square? Color in the ones that you see that can make that square. I see 2 of them. And then you can draw lines to show how you can make this shape with these. So this says you're going to use 4 small squares to make 1 large square. So draw your lines to show 4 small squares to make 1 large square. We're using small shapes to make larger shapes. That's what we're doing on this paper. How can you show 2 triangles to make a square? How can you show 4 squares to make a long rectangle? You can use 1 rectangle and 2 squares to make a larger square. Just draw the lines to show those shapes. It should match what we have here. Color the triangles red, color the hexagons blue, color the squares yellow. And then you can try to talk about what kind of picture this makes whenever it's done. To me, it kind of looks like a bunny rabbit with the ears and the tail. Maybe it looks like a dog to you. Maybe it looks like a boat. I don't know. What do you think it looks like? Just make sure you color all the flat 2D shapes the right color, depending on what this says here. And finally on the back, switch your brain to 3D shapes, 3-dimensional shapes. How many cones? How many spheres, cubes, cylinders in this picture, and talk about what the picture is. What did these people use the blocks to build, and what does it look like? How many of each shape did they do? A lot like yesterday's paper with the 2-dimensional shapes. So that's our work for today, Tuesday. Have fun. Don't forget to do your activities and do your best.